I would just, I mean, back to relationships are key because, one family that I did not mention, but it was Doug Grice and his son Dan. The Grice family was my first true distributor when I
Mhm.
started reinvesting or investing in my stores and stuff. The knowledge that they have and just relationships.
Mhm.
And it can go the Grice family, the Marcinetti family, whenever you were that one or two store owner, they took their time, to
Mhm.
invest their time in you. And they don't
Mhm.
know where your future goes, whether you're just going to have the one store and never buy a product of theirs. But the relationships are key in this industry, if you ask me.
Mhm.
A lot of things have changed that um, I would say that's it. I've always
Mhm.
been a brand loyal person as well,
Mhm.
and it's just like the key thing, those relationships with those people, because
Yeah.
you can have some problem come up and you've never
Mhm.
had it, and
Mhm.
you call Laundry Concepts or the Grice family with some,
Mhm.
because you could be a store owner that's never had the issue and they've experienced it and they walk you through it. The
Right.
stress that you're fearful
Mm.
on a Friday at 7 o'clock at night or Saturday is key. So I would
Yeah.
just say relationships are key in this
Yeah.
industry. And
Focusing on that and
yes,
strengthening those relationships. Absolutely, don't
yes.
neglect that.